CMान इवन स्पिचान उलयतना म्हणलें जे एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंजान जे लोक रजिस्टर्ड आसा ते तुमी एक्चुअली व्हेरीफाय करपाचे आशिल्ले की थोडे स्टुडंट आसा जावं थोडे प्रायवेट जॉबाक आसा तेंच्यांनी सुद्दां अनएम्प्लॉयड लायला.
व्हेरिफिकेशन चालूच आहा. देखून आतां CMान कशें म्हटलेलें आहा. CMान कितें म्हणलां, इट इज स्टुडंट लोगून केन्ना एक पाटी वन्स यू क्रॉस 18 आय थिंक फ्रॉम 16 दे स्टार्ट रजिस्टरिंग एक्चुअली. सो वन्स you have crossed that age, those students are basically still carrying on further with their studies, and these people basically, some people don't want to remove their name even although they may be working in private. Some people have got their own business, working in their own business, in their own establishment, so they are looking for basically government jobs. Now, as CM rightly said, he said there should be an assurance basically from the industries itself, from all the industries that see, I'm saying if a worker, whoever you are hiring, if a worker is working properly, I think he should not basically be dropped. It should be continued. So he also should feel that I'm working in this company and I have got a future in this company. That is very important.
Most of the companies they give break so that they shouldn't continue these workers.
Now it depends on different companies, because I see most of these pharmaceutical companies, I don't think they give break. Now, and major companies like say Siba, there is Cipla, now what is it called? Siba is there, MRF is there, Zuari is there. These major companies, they have been workers have been working there for donkeys years, and they have fixed this. So we should also see, we should take an assurance from the companies and the industries itself to basically take care of this fixed jobs issue.
Okay, thank you, sir.